Okay, so for these they want the radicals written in exponent form. So the square root is to the 1/2. So for a, the square root is to the 1/2, the third root is to the 1/3, the fourth root is 1/4. So this is just 10 to the power of 1/3, right? For b, this is square root, right? So square root is to the 1/2 power, so 15 to the 1/2 power. And for c, this is 18 to the 1/4, because it's fourth root, times to the third power, right? So that's 18 to the 3/4 power, right? Because if you think about it, right, it's 18 to the 1/4. That's the fourth root of 18, and then we're cubing that, right? And power to power says we multiply, so 3 times 1/4 is 3/4, right? This is the thought process. You don't need to show that, right? All right. And then d is 1 over root 5. So that's 1 over 5 to the 1/2 power, right? But we don't leave it like that, right? Because we don't want a fractional exponent in the denominator. So we write this as 5 to the negative 1/2 power, right? So this is the solution. This, not the solution. This is the solution. This is the solution. This is the solution.